Warm welcome, my dear students of this academy. You can see this chapter, Good Morning Question Answers. Okay, I've already explained beta these all questions in your previous time. Now in this time revisions are going on, so we will discuss this first. Yeah, that means UT first question answers all all the chapters. Okay, so let's understand. Okay, and let's learn it. Okay, why is the child in the poem happy? So the child in the poem is happy because it is morning now and the night has been over. Okay, to whom does the child say good morning? So the child says good morning to the sky, sun, birds, grass and bees. Okay, what does the child want to do? The child wants to play with the birds and bees. Yes, so in the morning I say good morning, at night I say good night, a dog says bow wow, a cow says moo moo. Say good morning in your own language to your friends and your teachers. कैसे बोलते हैं? I say good morning Sonia. Okay, like your friend's name is Sonia. Okay, I say good morning ma'am. Okay, how would you wish? How would you wish them when you leave school in the evening? So I would wish them good evening when I leave from school in the evening. Okay, let's understand these. These are rhymes. Okay, so bees, trees, day away to you. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the two boxes given below and color the picture. So day, night. Here day sunlight, chipping birds, night moonlight, birds sleep. Okay, so this one is like a team time, like a form groups, tell each other interesting things you have seen in the garden one day. So one day while I was walking in the park, I saw a ladybug. It was looking very beautiful. It had small black legs, a head with an antenna. It was red in color with black spots on it. Okay, now see this one, the magic garden. Why did flowers love the little children? So the flowers love the little children as they bring watering cans and water their thirsty roots. Okay, why did the birds love the children? So the birds love the children because they used to bring bread for them. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. So marigolds, sunflowers, roses, poppies and pansies were the 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? So the children could hear the sweet sounds of the fairies in the garden. This one is talk time. Which one is your favorite flower? Learn its name in English. So my favorite from my favorite flower name is Kamal. It is English is lotus. Okay, my favorite flower Kamal. Its English is lotus. Okay, now here the magic garden. This is an activity, so do it yourself. This one is okay. Now this name two words in each petal which you see in the garden, like insect, grasshopper, butterfly, trees, mango, guava, flowers, rose, sunflower, tool, spade, eggs, birds, sparrow, parrot. See this one. What would you like to grow in your garden? Write 3 sentences giving the names of the flowers that you might like to grow in your garden. In my garden, I would like to grow roses. In my garden, I would like to grow marigolds. In my garden, I would like to grow sunflowers. Okay, so this one is your UT first syllabus and you have to learn these one. Okay. Now next is name the 2 birds in the poem. These are bird talk. Okay. So the 2 birds in the poem are Robin and Jane. What are the 3 things that people can't do? The people can't grow wings, eat beetles or sit on wires and other things. What do birds think of people? Birds think that people are very funny. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, how do they walk. You can say, look at that man's nose, see how small it is. So elephant 1, look at that man's nose, see how small it is. Elephant 2, indeed it is, he looks so small. Elephant 1, why wouldn't he? He eats so little, only 10 chapatis and few vegetables in a day. Elephant 2, oh my god, how is he still alive if he eats so less? Elephant 1, on top of that, he has only 2 legs. Elephant 2, yes, he is so unlucky. Look at us. We have got 4 legs to walk. Not only this, we also have a grand trunk. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, let's find 2 things which you can do and the birds can't do. Tell the class. We can read books and write, but birds can't. We can drive cars and scooters, but birds can't. So listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. Okay, for example, chip chip chip, cook 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 koel, cow, 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 crow. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. So birds make their nest on the trees. Birds have wings to fly in the sky. Birds make a sound chip, chip, chip. Birds drink water with their beak. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. Grow, no, throw. Day, big, gay. Think, bring, pink. Funny, bunny, money. Eat, greet, meet. Sing, wing, king. Now this one is next one. Okay, why was there great joy in Nina's house? So Nina's aunt was getting married and everyone in the house was going to Delhi for the wedding. Why was Nina worried? Nina was worried for the baby sparrows. She thought they go out how the parents of the babies will feed their children. What did mother suggest? The mother suggested that the window will be left open so that mama and papa sparrows can feed their baby sparrows in the nest. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. How do baby sparrows eat? Baby sparrows eat every half an hour and they eat very little. Next is, what new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say, I would like to wear, I would also like to wear. I would like to wear a long white frock. I would also like to wear a crown with pearls on it. Number the jumbled picture story correctly. So like first one is Nina is sad. Then mother asks why. Then Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Mother says we will leave the window open. Nina is happy again. So, okay. Now see, this one is team time words. Questions. Would you like to have birds visiting you every day? Yes, we would like to have birds visiting us every day. So this one is your word building. A fat woman, a red rose, a happy boy, a beautiful peacock, a blackboard, a tall man. So now describe these pictures in your own language. This is a fat woman and this is a rose. This Mohan and this is our national bird peacock. This is our blackboard. This is our very tall man. Okay, so this one is your completely question answers. What you have to do, you have to divide these entirely questions you have to learn. Now students, name the tree that an acorn grows into. This one is little by little. The acorn grows into an oak tree. Okay, acorn grows into an oak tree. What thing does a seed need to grow? A seed needs water, air and sunshine to grow. How many describing words can you find in this poem? So describe words in this poem are slowly, improving, deep, sipped, tiny, slender, mighty, etc. Look at the 2 pictures, find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. First one is, I give you all these. What do you give me? So look at the picture, write 3 sentences on what the tree is given us. Now look at the picture 2, write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. So picture 1, trees give us fruits like mangoes, apples and guava. Second, trees also give us honey. Third, trees give us fresh oxygen to breathe. We harm trees by cutting their barks for making rubbers and tires. We harm trees by cutting their branches, because of which the birds' nests get destroyed. We pollute the environment by burning the leaves of the trees. So these were described parts of a tree. Write them in the given space. Stem. It gives strength to the tree and helps in making the tree stand straight. Bark. It is brown colored part present on the stem. Leaves. These are green and many in number. This part makes food in the plant. Branches. These are spurs emerging from stem on which the leaves grow. Okay, bird make their nest on them. Twigs. So these are thin weak branches. Roots means these are thin like thread and long parts under the earth which hold the plant above the soil. Shoot. The uppermost part of the plant above the soil is called the shoot. Match the opposite word. One has been done for you, like mighty, weak. Mighty, weak. Downward, upward. Slowly, fast. Little, big. Slender, fat. Okay, mighty, weak. Day, night. What did the old man plant? The old man planted some turnip seeds. Why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? It was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip because it was enormous. Who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? An old woman, a boy, and a girl helped him pull up the enormous turnip. Who ate the enormous turnip? The old man, the old woman, the boy, and the girl ate the enormous turnip. Name the draw for vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. Now name them in your language. Potato, turnip, carrot, ginger. How many vegetables can you find in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. So this one is carrot, peas, beans, turnip, tomato, potato. Now here you can see these words. Okay. Next is a game of opposites like pull, push. So the entire class can be divided into two groups where one group says one word and the second group says the opposite words. Pull, push, black, white, true, false, right, wrong. So this is how the game goes on. Some words are suggested here. You may pick up some more words from the lesson. So far, near, up, down, good, bad, old, new, dark, bright. You can say this. How do you like to eat these vegetables, raw or cooked? Say why. So carrot raw, cooked also. Turnip raw, cooked. Potato only cooked. Onion raw, cooked. Beans only cooked. Name 4 vegetables you ate last week. Write their names here. Cauliflower, potato, turnip, spinach. So carrot, carrots, one and many. Turnip, turnips. Onion, onions. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. So one word in each of the following sets is different from the others. Circle the odd one out. Turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, brinjal, sunflower, cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo, melon, banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple, snake, rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower, peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker, lizard. Okay, so these are question answers. You have to note down completely in your notebook.